watch. How black is this car?
5%. Officer, it black like tar. What?
I see you got cat in your car. And you say going for a spin, how far?
Bye. Minga hotel money. You see me? I gon' park up somewhere in Kitty. Plus, this girl is another man cat.
Yo, I wanted to do that since yesterday. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, and we're back in effect with another video for you guys. Right now, we set back over Guyana. Right now, we have Azariel, Tint. You know that go. You understand? Official video. Song made out for like 2 days. You understand? But you know, we post every single day over here, so numerous times for the day. So after make sure say, you know, balance out the thing. You did me and say. So yeah. Right now, we see what's going on for this video, people. You know what I mean? Honestly, I tried not to watch it, but you know, so when you're on Instagram, you have to see, you go see the teasers and everything and thing. So let's see what's going on. Like the video, y'all know what to do. Subscribe if y'all are new. We're on the road to 50k, but we're trying to hit 40k before the end of December, to end of this year. 40k is the aim, 40k is the goal. So you're gonna see me post a lot of videos. Today, you guys might get 4 uploads today. That's the level I'm on right now. You understand me saying? Subscribe for the fire emojis. Like you see what's popping right now. Azariel, Tint, Ranchon, big up Lawless side. AJ record.
We are out here to do. Yeah, my boy. Within
Babylon.
4 days, we on a tint campaign. Any vehicle with tintery?
Yeah.
Oh God, they will
gotta go,
pay
they gotta
some
go.
side. Remember you have the police party?
Yes. And we come out here to strip tint.
Exactly.
Strip the tint. Everything got a tint.
They could either pay at the court,
Everything tintless.
but I feel it's better to pay here.
Man, them outside for the tint carry them today. The man said anything with tint I get stopped. You see me I say, then man pay the court up here right here. Man, you know the Jamaican police people, when Jamaican police stop you, you know that. Slide them a little thing and you're gone. You see me I say, but bro, no? Press go on. Alright.
This is a real car coming up the road there.
Yeah.
What? There's a police. This vehicle heavily tinted.
Yeah. You get stopped.
Officer, lumber with the tint no. You just put on a me neighbor strip no.
Yeah.
You buy game on a spin one flex no. Here one body hold lamp on a grain no.
Give me your documents, bonder citation. What? There's a police. This vehicle heavily tinted.
Tint. Subaru.
Officer, lumber with the tint no.
Yeah.
You just put on a me neighbor strip no. You buy game on a spin one flex no. Here one body hold lamp on a grain no.
Give me your documents,
Damn.
bonder
It's money. I remember, I don't know what you call it, money, currency, or whatever you call it. So, he might give him document, yes, but he might give him money in a pan slide at the side of money, same speed. And the man still, and then get the money and still hold on.
I want your license and your registration. You gonna tell me what's your current occupation?
Yeah.
And then you're gonna drive to the station.
Hold on, you buy.
Hold on, pause. You understand? Don't the police just say, yo, they're going to stop all these cars with tint and they're going to either pay, right? That's why they're going to pay the court. Don't it? So they just slide my money. So I'm going to go. You know what I'm not bag of pausing. Go on.
Registration. You gonna tell me what's your current occupation? And then you're gonna drive to the station.
Why?
Hold on, you boys not gangster.
Yeah.
No guns, mean bad like cancer.
Yeah.
All of this, yo, this ain't even called for.
Yeah.
Watch
Well,
any
your boys not gangster. No guns. I can't talk. But your boys not gangster. Normally I will say your boys not gangsters. You're not gangsters. But hold on, your boys not gangster. That's it.
To the station.
Hold on, you boys not gangster.
Yeah.
No guns, lean bad like cancer.
Yeah.
All of this, yo, this ain't even called for.
Yeah.
Watch any question I gonna answer.
Yeah.
First charge, no seat belt. And your car so black I can't see it.
Yeah.
But officer, how you see the seat belt?
Yeah.
As I asking the questions, don't get me vexed.
Exactly. The car so dark, you can't see the car, but he said now in a seatbelt. Go up. The man take out the seatbelt and didn't stop him. Go up. Well, go on. Come back boy, them ask the question. Babylon boy. Go on.
Watch, how black is this car?
5%. Officer, it black like tar.
Oh, boy.
I see you got catty in your car.
Alright.
And you say going for a spin, how far?
Bye.
Hold on, pause. Normally, you know, they do them something in a place. They go shoot in their back, say they come out of the car without the battle if you come out of the vehicle. You know. Why you coming out of the car, the cop didn't tell you to come out of the car. They say you go wrong, you get shot already. But hold on, they pause. Dog say, I see you got girl in the car. So you pray everything when I'm on car. How dark is a car? I say black like tar.
Watch, how black is this car?
5%. Officer, it black like tar.
I see you got catty in your car. And you say going for a spin, how far?
Bye. Minga hotel money. You see me? I gon' park up somewhere in Kitty. Plus, this girl is another man catty. So when I move,
I go and park somewhere and what? And what?
You say going for a spin, how far?
Hold on.
bye. Minga hotel money. You see me? I gon' park up somewhere in Kitty. Plus, this girl is another man catty. So when I move, me want nobody see me. Girls like Tint up car and AC madam.
Yeah.
Tell you the truth.
Yeah. Yo, that's how I'm gonna park or something and mushy works. You see me, I say that's he doesn't have any money to afford any hotel. Girls like Tint up car and AC madam. Tint up car and gun pan waist, them gal want bad boy. Them gal want bad boy. Hey, them gal. Alright, go on.
Me house got fun. Me ain't too rich, you gotta understand.
Yeah.
Plus when I done, I gotta put on she plan.
Alright, brethren.
He's gonna put on a plan. Hello? Hi? Walla, run back little bit. Go on.
Nobody see me. Girls like Tint up car and AC madam.
Yeah.
To tell you the truth, me house got fun.
Yeah.
Me ain't too rich, you gotta understand. Plus when I done, I gotta put on she plan.
So, oh, the hell do you have a Subaru, but your house does not have a AC nor a fan? But you got a Subaru with a 5% tint glass, which you have to pay for now when it kind of come tint, you know. You know me I say? Go on, let's chat things though. Go on.
Alright, brethren. Yeah, I sight what you saying.
Yeah.
I gon' flex, but you gotta left something.
Yeah.
Cause I love you for gun, do you thumping? Who's the catty though?
I barely even know.
Pause. Hold on, pause. Is that... Oh, well. Right or left? That them say Jamaica. When the police stop you. Right or left? The man is not asking for license. He's not gonna ask you for no license or any registration. So the boss say right or left. Meaning you gonna write your ticket or you gonna left him at a $5,000. That's what I said. Go on.
She said she got a man.
Yeah, I believe so. Me and Kano, I lashing of course. I hear from a source, he there inside the force.
Whoa. Girl is
Man, knocking a police girl. I bet I want for them girl, man. I bet you any money is one of those two officers, woman. Boy, I like a tall boy. Yeah. Go on.
us.
I shot boy, no, I shot boy.
Policeman, girl. Wait. Like call me girl.
Officer, love me with the tint now. It just put on a me never strip down. You buy guy on a spin, one flex now. Here one body, all I'm on a green job. Officer, love me with the tint now. It just put on a me never strip down. You buy guy on a spin, one flex now. Here one body, all I'm on a green job. Officer, love me with the tint now. It just put on a me never strip down. You buy guy on a spin, one flex now. Here one body, all I'm on a
Now go bust him pana $2,000 out of the $5,000 and just pick up a while ago. Officer, go on.
green job.
Yo, cartel.
See the girl them?
Like a girl so good in the bed. Turn up, balance by your head. Hey, what's your body your head? Alright, you mess with the man. Yo. What would I say, dog? So, Babylon said about call him woman, right? But when I already see the woman when they carry, you never have to call your woman. You can see some woman and man carry. I don't do that. But so good in the bed. Shirt, balance for your head.
Ladies, I wanna
Like a middle finger. Like the video and subscribe, my gun, you know. Peace.